something infinitely healing in the repeated refrains of nature, the assurance that dawn comes after night and spring after winter. The earth has music for those who listen. Never be in a hurry. Do everything quietly in a calm spirit. Do not lose your inner peace for anything whatsoever, even if your whole world seems upset. Do not let the behavior of others destroy your inner peace. Sometimes you can find peace of mind by transferring yourself to different situations. They're just reminders to stay calm. You should feel beautiful and you should feel safe. What you surround yourself with should bring you peace of mind and peace of spirit. Let go of the thoughts that don't make you strong. If you are depressed, you are living in the past. If you are anxious, you are living in the future. If you are at peace, you are living in the present. Everything you need, your courage, your strength, compassion, and love is already within you. Love yourself. Self-care means giving yourself permission to pause. If you get tired, learn to rest, not to quit. Be kind to your mind. You will find peace not by trying to escape your problems, but by confronting them courageously. You will find peace not in denial, but in victory. Once you replace negative thoughts with positive ones, you'll start having positive results. I hope you enjoyed the video, guys. This is JHACKIE'S vlog입니다. Your jingle. 감사합니다. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. Click the notification bell for more updates. Thank you. Mwah.